Hey, hello, hi everyone. This is Sunita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do unboxing of R4Rabbit Velocity 16-inch bicycle for kids up to age 4 to 7 years, and it's for boys and girls. In this particular model we are getting red and black color. We purchased black color and MRP of this bicycle is around 7,300 rupees, but we got in an offer price on Amazon 5,300 rupees plus some cashback on it. In this box we are getting some spare parts with 95% installed bicycle and some spare parts, manual and toolkit. But with this toolkit we can't assemble this bicycle. It's not so easy to assemble at home, so we decided to go to nearby bicycle shop and assemble there. Weight of this cycle is almost 11 kg, 11 and half kg, and dimension mentioned here is 110 by 15 by 68 centimeter. Metal frame body looks stylish, and it comes with training wheels, chain guard, seat handle and rubber tires. Rubber tires needs air inflation and adjustable seat height. Brake type of this bicycle is drum one. It don't have rear disc brakes. Overall bicycle look very sturdy, very stylish. If your kid's height is more than 4 and 5 feet, then go for next size. This size will be only till 4.5 feet kid. If you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe our channel to give your support. Our cycle assembly is going on, and if you want to assemble at home, go through this video. You can manage assembly at home also. For cycle assembly they charge 250 rupees, and if you want extra accessories for that you need to pay extra money.